Yeah, now we are switching on the machine. The lights are on. You can also see the DSP values are coming. So then we have to give all access phone. Okay. Then automatically the Z axis will go up and sensing the limit it will stop, and then it will move to the x-axis. Yeah, it's going to the left side and go to that limit. Then y-axis also, it's almost already in the limit. So then we have to go to the handset DSP and have to bring the spindle near the job, okay, where we want to fix the 0 0. So just moving the X, Y, Z button, left, right. So manually we are in a jog mode where we are giving X plus, X minus, Z minus. When we are doing Z minus, going. Set. It's manually touching. Okay, so almost touch. So then we have to go and give Z0 also XYZ. So now again pressing the origin button. Okay, so the axis will go up for a safety set 10 mm. Okay, then okay. Now to run the file we have to press the run button. Then the flash disk will read the U disk already inserted on the pendant. The DSP pendant, it's reading. Now it will show where from we have to read the file from the U disk. Then select it, select the work file. There is no item, so we have to copy the, I have not copied.